Nigeria's Foreign Affairs Minister Geoffrey Onyeama has tested positive for COVID-19, the respiratory disease caused by coronavirus. Onyeama announced in a tweet on Sunday that he would be isolating at a health facility. He took the test following a throat irritation, one of the symptoms of the disease. There are now over 700,000 coronavirus infections in Africa, with almost 15,000 deaths reported.
Nigeria's Foreign Affairs Minister Geoffrey Onyeama, who is also a member of a presidential task force on COVID-19 that is coordinating the country's response to the pandemic, announced on Sunday that he had tested positive for coronavirus. Onyeama becomes the latest high-profile individual in the country to contract the virus. A number of senior politicians, including several state governors, have tested positive for COVID-19. Nigeria has so far recorded about 36,000 cases of coronavirus, with around 15,000 recoveries and nearly 800 deaths. More than 105,000 people have been arrested in Zimbabwe since March for violating regulations aimed at curbing the spread of coronavirus. According to Zimbabwe police, around 1,000 were arrested in the last 2 days for unnecessary movement or for not wearing face masks. Restrictions have been eased slightly in the country, where more than 1,500 infections have been confirmed. An inquiry in Australia is trying to determine how security breaches may have undermined the COVID-19 hotel quarantine program in the state of Victoria, where there has been a fresh wave of infections. Hong Kong is stepping up its measures against the virus after a record new number of cases were recorded on Sunday. Authorities have announced a series of new measures, including the mandatory wearing of face masks in indoor public spaces. In France, masks are also now compulsory in indoor spaces such as shops, restaurants and banks. They were already required on public transport. An extended EU summit discussing a $750 billion coronavirus recovery fund is due to resume later on Monday. The negotiations are now into their 4th day, with EU leaders so far unable to reach a deal over whether to attribute the money via payable loans or grants. The latest figures by Johns Hopkins University show that more than 14.5 million coronavirus cases have been confirmed around the world, and there have been more than 606,000 deaths. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News.